Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today we're going to fix this Epson SureColor F170 sublimation printer. The problem is the printer can pick up the paper. However, the paper cannot be rolled past the duplexer. We took the duplexer out. Most of cases are the rubber on the duplexer wheel getting worn out, or this gear missing a teeth. So we check the gear is okay. To figure out which part we need, we go to bchtechnology.com and we type in F170 parts. I hit return and we can get this document. I constantly update this document, so whenever I have a new update, you should automatically receive a new link for the newest version. Also, you can come back and check the version number. Here's the version number. You can either log into your account and click downloadable products, or just email support at bchtechnology.com and give us your order number and we can send a full email. I constantly making new videos. So my plan is when make a new video, I put a YouTube icon here. You click that, it will jump to the specific minute that I show how to work with this part. All the parts are numbered. So if you click the number, not the name, just the number itself, it brings you to the product page that you can get a spare part. And today we're going to work on this duplex roller. Here's what the replacement roller look like. On the one side, you're going to see only one tab. See this side, and that should be the left side. And this side has two tabs and look like a cross, okay? And here's the original one that we need to replace. And we take a screwdriver and we're going to remove two screws. And this screwdriver is a Phillips #1 screwdriver. And this is how you pop off the duplex roller gear. And that gear is easily get damaged. And for the left stop is very easy to fly away. So pay attention to where it lands. Hit right here. Anyway, so you know where to get a replacement if you lose it. So next thing is we're going to take out those two white tabs. We dig underneath, then lift it up, and do the same for the other one. Now my recommendation is do not confuse the old one with the one you're going to replace. They look almost the same. The only difference is the rubber got worn out. And this is why this one doesn't roll the paper. Okay, so for the new one, we're going to make sure that the left is going to the left and the right is going to the right. We're going to insert the left stop first. Remember the left side of the roller, you only have one tab. So if you look at the left stop, the slot for the roller has a really long side. So that long side is going to point to the single tab on the roller. So we just push it in and it will be all set. For the duplex gear, although it's a cross, you're going to see you have two longer ones and two shorter ones. So again, the longer slot towards the tab and push in. Now we're going to put back the white holder. These holders only go one way, so I don't think you'll make a mistake. And then after that, put the screw back and the problem fixed. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at bchtechnology.com or locally, Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.